Namaste and very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to talk about how to sleep and what are the benefits and drawbacks of the sleeping directions we are using. My dear friends, knowingly and unknowingly, so many of us don't know the way, the direction, the best direction to which we have to sleep. And today in this session, we are going to talk about that. The first lesson in this session is that out of main 4 directions, we have to completely avoid north direction for sleeping. Our head position must not be towards north direction. Yeah. So as per Hindu tradition, they keep dead body's head towards north. It means that direction is for dead body, not for living body. And this is directly connected with the electromagnetic field of earth and our body. Everything, as you know, is managed by electromagnetic field, magnets, waves. As you know, sun rises, atmosphere changes. Simultaneously, there will be change in our body, in our nature. Everything is connected. As per Ayurveda, Yavant Dese Tavant Purushe. It means Purush means the person is depend upon the situation of outside. Same, the direction of earth, south and north pole, this direction is the wrong direction. If you are heading towards north direction, my dear friend, try to change that direction. You go in practical. I am not say to you, believe on me. First of all, listen, follow this instruction. If you get some good benefits in your life, you can follow it or leave it. When we're talking about not the directions, and then which direction is good for sleep? The answer is south is the best direction for sleep. You try to be towards south. If possible in your home, at your bed, if possible to head towards south, then you are lucky. Try your best. If not possible, then second option is east direction. If east is not possible, the last option is west. But the number one option is south direction. When we're talking about direction, also consider one more direction to which we must not be sleep. And that direction is, that corner is east-south corner. As per Vastu Shastra, that corner is for kitchen, for Agni, for fire. If you sleep there, if your head is there, then you may suffer from headache, the burning symptoms, you can say the heat related symptoms, quarrels, hyper temper way of being is there, and that sleep is not sound sleep, we can say. If you want sound sleep, avoid these two directions. First is the north direction and second is the east south corner. My dear friends, as per Ayurveda, there are three pillars of life. First is ahara, diet. Second is nidra, sleep. And third is kama jivan, means sex life. Out of these three pillars, if one pillar get hampered, our whole life may hamper. So be careful about these three pillars of the life. Out of that, we are talking about sleep. And in sleep, this is one of the main dimension as per Ayurveda, as per Vastu Shastra. My dear friend, sometimes Vastu Shastra is considered as a myth, or you can say superstitious. But no, my dear friend, as per my study, my research, this is very scientific science, and everything is a scientific. We don't get these hidden secrets. So if you follow these tips, you can feel a change in your body, your mindset, your sleep will be peace of mind, and you will get whatever you want in your life. When we're talking about a home or a flat or a person, the person who is a key person in a home must have to sleep to south direction or follow these instructions. My dear friends, if you follow and if you will get some result, please share it. Sharing is a caring, Thank you for listening me. Thank you God. Thank you universe.